Hey YouTube, GarageBoys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to make a video on how to remove your power steering pump on a 2008 Acura TL. This has a 3.2 VTEC engine, as you can see. And I removed a cover here and a cover that was there, just so I can have some space. But it's just a pick up and just pull back and that's it, just some clips. Very simple, but I'm going to show you step by step and what tools you need to remove the power steering pump, which is right here. This cover is also removable, very easy. Just little two clips at the bottom, and then this is your power steering pump here. I bought the part on Amazon. I'm going to show you I'm going to put the link in the description. If you want to buy it from there, you can. It was like next day delivery with Amazon Prime, and it was like $90 or so. It was a good deal. So this is what we're going to be replacing, and I'm going to start off by taking off the belt. So here we go. Okay guys, so to remove the belt is very easy. That's the belt tensioner right there. We're gonna put a size 14 socket with a ratchet, as you can see here, and then we're gonna push it towards we're gonna turn towards the car. So counterclockwise. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a pipe. This is the easiest and fastest way to do this stuff. Put it there in your ratchet, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna turn counterclockwise. And as you can see, it releases the pressure, right? And then you can remove your belt with your other hand. Obviously, I'm recording and doing this at the same time. But as you can see, this is very easy. And this is how you do it. Just move this to the side like this. Hold it in place and remove the belt. And I'm going to show you a diagram of the belt so you can know how to put it back whenever you put it back. So I'm going to show it right now. You can pause the screen. And that way you can know how to put it back whenever you put it back. Okay guys, now that you remove the belt, we're gonna remove some screws. Very easy job. So these two are size 10. This is for this pressure hose up here. So we're gonna remove this two first. Obviously, as soon as you remove this, it's gonna start leaking some power steering fluid. So just be ready for that. And then we're gonna remove this one here, which in my case, I'm using a flat head. I'm not sure what type of bracket you have here, but it should be about the same. So just use a flat head, turn this counterclockwise, make it loose, and then pull this back. The power steering fluid bottle goes right here, but I removed it. See, you just pick it up, and I moved it down to the side because I wanted it to be even lower. So when I take this out, because the power steering fluid is going to start leaking, so go ahead and remove that. Just be ready for the mess, for the fluid to fall everywhere. So go ahead and remove this one and this one. Again, two size 10s. Put this on the side. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. There's two more screws left. Very easy job. We don't have to remove anything else. So let me do this, and then I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay, guys, so I removed these two hoses. It's very easy. The two 10s, took them out, and then obviously clog this up with some paper towels. I'm pretty sure there's a gasket around this one, like an O-ring. So make sure you don't lose that, but I'm going to double check that for you. I didn't know because I just sealed it real quick. I didn't want to spill a lot of power steering fluid. But that's that, very easy. Now there's only two screws, and they're fairly easy. This one right here, it's a size 12. That one is a size 12 as well, but for this one, it's a size 12, and your best option there will be a wrench. Just come in here and boop, take it out right there. Very easy. You'll have a hard time fitting your ratchet there. So, I mean, you can still do it. Just watch out, but wrench is fine. Now on this side, it was a bit more tricky. It's in there, and I'm going to show you more in a minute. But let me try and focus here. Hold on. Yeah, so it's already in there. It's a size 12. This is a small ratchet, and I just want to show you how it fits. I can probably do a little bit, and after that, change my socket to from a large socket to a medium socket. And then I'm going to be able to take it off. So I'm going to use this. Even though it's a small ratchet, I'm still going to be able to do enough strength. It should take it as a Craftsman. And I'm going to be able to open that over there. And those are the only two screws. Very easy. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to show you if I see anything. And then I'm going to show you how it looks afterwards and what else. So let me just do this, and then I'm going to come back in just a second. Oh, guys, quick tip. If you're having a hard time here, you can always do this with your wrench. And it will be easier for you to do the leverage to open that. Just giving you guys a quick tip. All right, guys, so that's it. I took out my old power steering pump right there. I'm gonna put the new one. See, I bought the new one with the pulley, so I paid $90. If you want to, I didn't want to swap the pulley, but if your pulley's fine, which it probably is, you can buy one without the pulley and then just get yours and put it on yours. You just have to remove this knot. It was kind of a hassle, so I just Paid a little bit extra and just got it right away. Just swap it, plug and play. That's it. But very easy job. Remove those 2 screws, came out, put it back. It's the same process, but in reverse. Make sure you put your hoses. Quick and very important tip. The reason why your power steering pump went bad, most likely on this Acuras and Hondas, you probably used a regular power steering fluid. For these vehicles, Honda and Acura are the only vehicles that require their own power steering fluid. They have like their own power steering fluid. So make sure you put Honda or Acura power steering fluid on this vehicles. Now you don't have to go to the dealer and buy it from them. Auto part places will sell them. Just make sure it says for Honda or for Honda for Acura, which is the same thing. But that's it, guys. Hopefully this video helped you. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Very easy job. Do it yourself. 20-minute job, I guess. Not a lot of tools required. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.